Tomorrow, I'll wake up with a hangover.
There she is.
That's not a ship.
No.
Oh, Class B. What is that?
Decommissioned outpost? I don't know. Probably got dragged into our orbit.
Okay, that's fine. Let's get closer, please.
Okay. I'm gonna match its roll.
Hazard, proximity, alert.
What's wrong?
Just the belt's a bit closer than I thought.
How long?
It's 36 hours, give or take.
Till what?
Before the station crashes against the rings.
Sorry, what? What did you say? That don't sound very good.
36 hours. Should be in and out in 30 minutes. Yeah?
Andy,
Yeah, tops.
are you sure you want to do this?
I have just one directive. To do what's best for Rain. Your dad wrote it.
Yeah. That and too many dad jokes.
I'm happy to help.
Be careful out there.